Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk about creating a small Meteor project onto your system. Meteor is known as a framework, and it's got both the front end and back end elements covered through a clever scaffolding. It's one of the most famous uh, JavaScript full frame framework. Without further ado, we'll get into it. So first thing first, what you got to do is go into Meteor and open the Meteor app. So this is the Meteor website. So you can install Meteor from here. So go click this particular thing, install. From here you can use the curl command, or you can directly download it. So if you download this particular curl command into your system through your terminal, you can do that. So let's go ahead and do that. So I already have Meteor installed, so it's removing my existing one and installing a new one. So while it's installing, let's also go ahead and install Node.js. So Node.js is a backend framework based on JavaScript. It's one of the most famous frameworks, as you must be knowing. And this is the Node.js website. So you can go here and click either the current version or the stable version. So this is a stable version. I generally prefer to use the stable version. So if I click here, it will go and download the Node package manager onto my system. And once the Node package manager has been installed, it will go ahead and if I open this up, it will ask me for a few questions. If I say yes, yes, continue, continue, blah blah blah. So it will say you agreeing to this. It will ask me for a destination folder. It will ask me for a destination type. And it will tell me how many megabytes of space is required. It will ask me for my password. I'll write my password, and it will go ahead and do the installation. By the way, I already have a node installed. So this is where the node is going to be installed. So node was installed at so and so location previously. Now it's using the same location for node installation. So it's basically in your local bin path. So now you can close it and remove the Node.js package file. Now let's go back to the terminal and see what's happened. So downloading is completed and asking for my password. So I will type my password here. So Meteor has been installed in your system. So this is what you get if Meteor has been installed. So it says get started with Meteor. This Meteor create app. So you can go and type Meteor create app and it will create an app. And it will do all your job. So this is my terminal window. So let's go and create a Meteor app. So I have already got a Meteor folder, so I'll probably go into that folder. So this is my Meteor folder, and I'll create a Meteor app from here. So the command is on top, like Meteor create the app name. So just simply go and type Meteor create, and let's say test app. So it will go and create a new Meteor app now, and it will put all the requisite files inside that. So let's just wait and see if it's done. So it is downloading the templating compiler now, building local packages, installing npm dependencies. it's overall pretty quick, and I've used Meteor, and I think Meteor is a very good scaffolded application. So now it's already created. So if you do a ls, we'll know that a Meteor app has been created. So this is our test app. Here you see. So what we can do is we can do a cd into the test app. So let me just clear it first. So we'll do a cd into the test app. Sorry, cd test app. So now in the test app, and if you see the test app, it's already created the requisite client and server packages. So it's created a client folder, it's created a server folder. There is one called the node modules, which is basically you can use node inside this nodes. And then it's got a package.json file as well. So these are already been created. So now your file is done, everything has been created. Now just to run the server, simply type Meteor. So it will say, should you allow connections from nodes? So you say yes to it. So it's building the application. So as you can see, it states started MongoDB. So Meteor uses MongoDB as a database, and it's kind of opinionated in that sense. So if you look at Meteor, it's basically a kind of a wrapper which scaffolds the front end with either React or Blaze, and the back end with the Node, and the database is MongoDB. So here you go, you've already created your server, and the server is up and running now. So let's just go and test the server. So copy this particular name, localhost 3000, and you simply go and type it, and here you go. So this is your Meteor app. You created your first app. Welcome to Meteor. You have an option to click it. So you click it, the number of presses goes up here, if you can see. So if you click this goes up, and then you got some tutorials links, so you can follow these links if you want to, and we'll talk about it in later sessions. So that's pretty much about Meteor. Meteor is a full stack framework, and it uses in the front end, it uses either React or Angular or Blaze as the front end frameworks, and in the back end it uses Node, and in the database it uses MongoDB, and it sort of scaffolds all that together and makes the magic of building an app so fast. So this is probably the quickest app that was ever created by me. So I personally love the fact that it's so quick in doing that. So hope you liked this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye.